Steam not opening on Windows can be frustrating. In this video, I will guide you how to fix this issue completely. First, we are going to reset Steam's background processes. Step 1. Right-click on your taskbar and choose Task Manager. If your Task Manager opens in compact mode, click on More Details at the bottom. Now scroll through the list and look for any process that starts with Steam. You might see names like Steam Client Web Helper or Steam Service or just Steam. Select each Steam-related process one by one. Click End Task for all of them. Next, press the Windows key and type Services. Open the Services app. Scroll down and find a service called Steam Client Service. Right-click it and choose Properties. Under Startup Type, make sure it is set to Automatic. Then click on Stop if it is running. Wait a few seconds. And click on Start again. Click Apply and OK. If Steam opens normally now, you are good to go. If it still does not open, move to Method 2. Click on your Start menu. Type Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When the black window appears, type the following commands exactly one by one. After typing each command, press Enter. Now close the Command Prompt window. Restart your computer. After the restart, open File Explorer. Go to your Steam installation folder again. Locate a folder named Package. Open it and delete every file that ends with zip or bin. Do not delete the folder itself. Only delete the files inside. These are Steam's cached update packages. When you delete them, Steam automatically redownloads clean versions during startup. Now right-click on your Steam shortcut again. Choose Run as Administrator. And that's it. If this guide helped you, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.